Welcome back, guys. So this is question 8.5 of chapter 8, and the statement of this question is the numbers of incorrect answers on a true false competency test for a random sample of 15 students were recorded as follows, and which are here. Okay, we can see that the number of the items here we have are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So these are the 15 number of items, and for them I have to find part A the mean, part B the median, and part C the mode. Okay, so what are these quantities? I have described them in our question 8.2. so the first step here is, let me write here this solution. The first step for your feasibility and to finding out the median is to sort them out. Okay, so let me first write them in a sequence. So the lowest of them is 0, so 0 0, let me write them 0 0. Okay, after it we have 1, so 1 1 and 1, 3 ones, 1 1 1. Okay, then 2 2 2 2, 3 twos, 2 2 2. Okay, then 3, so we have here 3 3 3 3. Okay, 4 threes, so 3 3 3 and 3, and here we have 4 4 and 1 is 5. Okay, this 6. Okay, so 6 is the last one here, and if I will count them out, these are basically the 15 number of items. Okay, so these are in sequence. So now let me have this color for the solution, and let me find out the mean of it. And in order to find the mean of any item, I have to add them all the numbers from I equal to 1 up to n, divide them over n, and these are xi. So let me add them all together. So it will be mean is 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so then 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2, then 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, then 4, then 5, then 6, and divide them over what? I have to divide them over the total number of items, which are 15. Okay, so it will be 0 plus 1 2 3 3 ones plus 1 2 3 3 twos. Okay, and then plus 4 threes. Okay, then 4, then 5, then 6. Okay, so here it is divided by 15. Also here we have 0 plus 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, all divided by this 15. Okay, so let me add them. 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 12 is 21, 21 plus 4 is 25, 25 plus 5 is 30, and then 36 divided by 15. Okay, so let me now divide it over it. So 36 divided by 15, and it is what? It is 2.4. so the mean of it is 2.4. Okay, and that is what? That is for the mean. Now in order to find the median of it, we can see that the number of items we have here are basically odd in number. Okay, 15 is the odd number, so here we can very easily pick the middle one of it, from which the 7 number of items will be here, and the 7 one will be here, and the 15 one will be here in the mid. So let me count them. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so these are the numbers. So the mid one here is 2, so therefore the median here is, that is 2. Okay, so the median value is 2, which I have found out here. Part C is the mode. Okay, so I have to see that all the numbers which are, let me choose another color for it, this is green one. I have to see that how many times this 0 is repeated, 1 is repeated, 2 is repeated, 3 is repeated, 4 is repeated, 5 and then 6 is repeated. Okay, so we have these numbers. So let me see that how many times this 0 is repeated. This is repeated twice. Okay, this one is repeated thrice, this 2 is repeated 1 2 3, this is thrice, this 3 is repeated 4 times, this 4 is repeated only once, this 5 repeated only once, 6 is repeated only once. So this is the number which is 3, which is repeated the most. So therefore the mode of it is, let me write here, C mode. So the mode of it is 3. Okay, so that is what, that is the answer. Let me highlight them all. Okay, this is the mean 2.4, 2 is the median, while this 3 is the mode of the series which we have here. Okay, so that's it for today, in which again we have seen that how to find out the mean, the median and the mode of a series. If you guys have any question regarding the solution of question 8.5, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.